today I'm going to be showing you how to make rice paper rolls. You can use any fresh veggies you like and any protein as well. Today I'm going to be using the following ingredients: rice paper, a carrot, Lebanese cucumber, an avocado, coriander, firm tofu, lettuce, and chili. First thing we need to do is prepare all of our veggies. First, you're going to place a damp paper towel and then put your chopping board on top to secure. And then I'm just going to peel my carrot, and then making sure I've selected a really good chef's knife that I'm really comfortable with and that I'm confident using. I'm just going to julienne my carrot. To do so, I'm just going to cut the top and the tail off of my carrot. And then I'm going to cut it into the lengths that I would like my pieces to be. And then standing the carrot up, I'm going to cut the carrot into planks. Then I'm just going to take each plank individually and I'm going to cut into thin matchstick size pieces. Julienning is just cutting a vegetable into matchstick size pieces. I'm going to do the same thing with my Lebanese cucumber. And then I'm just going to cut my avocado in half. So I'm going to carefully run my knife around the stone in the middle until I've met back with where I first started. And I'm going to just twist it and it should come apart like that. Then I'm just going to peel the half of avocado that I'm going to use. And then I'm just going to slice the avocado into pieces. I'm going to wash my coriander leaves, pat them dry, and then just pluck all of the leaves off. I'm going to wash my lettuce and pat that dry as well. And I'm just going to roll it up into a bunch, into a nice little parcel, and then I'm just going to thinly slice the lettuce as well. Then you just need to get your chili and split it down the middle. Scrape out the seeds. If you like it a bit more spicy, you can leave the seeds in. And then I'm just going to thinly slice that. Alright, for my tofu, I'm actually going to marinate my tofu. Tofu is made from soybeans and it doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's really high in protein though, so it's really good for you. I'm going to slice it up and put it into a little bowl. I'm going to just marinate it in some soy sauce and some sesame seeds just to give a little extra flavor. You can also buy tofu already marinated at the shops. I wasn't able to get any, I couldn't find any at the shops, but if you can, it's really yummy and I highly recommend. I need to check if my dish is big enough for my rice paper. Then I'm just going to fill that with hot water, and when I've got all my fillings ready, I'm just going to take my rice paper and I'm going to soak it in the hot water for no more than 5 to 10 seconds till it started to soften up. Then I'm just going to place that onto my board and I'm going to add my fillings to the rice paper. Make sure you're adding the fillings in the center and make sure you don't overfill as well. When I'm happy with how much I've got, I'm just going to make sure I bring up the bottom and the sides and then tucking all the time, so just tucking it all in really tight. I'm going to roll it. So it's a bit of practice. You're probably going to take a few times to get this. Just as long as you keep it tight and you tuck it in, you should be good. Alright, and there's one of my finished rice paper rolls. So basically you're just going to repeat this process with all of the rest of your ingredients until you have used it all up. You can make a sauce. I have a recipe for a sauce, but I just chose to serve mine with sweet chili sauce today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make rice paper rolls.